This is the first instructional video covering traffic circles. And what we're having a look at here is the direction at which a vehicle enters and travels around a traffic circle. Let's have a look at the animation to start off with. Now we've got the driver of the green vehicle going the correct direction around the traffic circle, the driver of the red vehicle going the wrong way around a traffic circle. Now why would that be? Well, it could be for two reasons. The driver of the red vehicle may be just wanting to take a shortcut, doesn't want the inconvenience of going all the way around the traffic circle. It could also be for a second reason, that people are confused and not sure which direction to go around a traffic circle. So the rule is, if you travel in a country on the right-hand side of the road, well, then you go around the traffic circle on the right side. If you live in a country where you travel on the left-hand side of the road, well, then you go around the traffic circle on the left side. Now, it would seem almost unnecessary to make a video such as this. However, have a look at the real-life clip to follow. I'm not going to give any commentary. You can get a bird's-eye perspective of the confusion of drivers around a traffic circle. And also the montage section to follow will show equally as well why people are confused at a traffic circle. And so it's necessary to make a video such as this. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.